Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Use Rocket Doom pickups aggressively to reach the finish line while denying space to opponents. Every rocket you collect gives you one usable boost and a threat to others. Prioritize pickups near choke points and hazards. A well-timed boost can push an opponent into a pit or off a moving platform. Watch the match timer and hazard cycles so you do not waste rockets when a zone is about to collapse. Conserve rockets for the last 10 to 15 seconds of a round to maximize impact and survival. When you pick up a rocket, you carry it until activation. The boost propels you forward with strong knockback and lasts roughly 3-5 seconds, so plan short bursts. Rockets respawn approximately 5 seconds after being used or dropped, so controlling spawn areas yields repeated advantages. Boosting increases your push strength, but reduces lateral control and can cause self-knockback if you collide with walls. Practice activating at 45-degree angles to lead moving platforms or targets, and avoid boosting directly into slow hazards that reduce your speed by about 50%. Adopt a role tactic. Flankers use rockets to disrupt, defenders hold rockets to block lanes and protect team progress, coordinate verbally or with quick pings when you plan to boost. Near hazardous zones, keep only one rocket ready and save a second for recovery. Having 1 to 2 rockets is ideal so you do not get flung off the map by mistake. Use rockets to clear choke points, push opponents into hazards, or create openings for teammates to sprint forward, and avoid friendly fire by signaling boosts so teammates can jump or sidestep.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.